Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Smart English, the channel where learning English feels easy, fun, and natural. I'm Emma.
And I'm Chris. Hello, Emma. And hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. It's always great to be back chatting with you all.
Same here, Chris. You know, I always look forward to these episodes. So, how's your day going?
Pretty good, actually. I took a walk this morning, had some coffee, and now I'm ready to sound like a native speaker. Or at least try.
That's the spirit. And today's topic will definitely help you with that. Because today we're revealing a powerful, almost secret English speaking technique.
Ooh, a secret. I love secrets. Tell me everything.
Well, it's not really a secret, but most English learners don't use it correctly, or they don't even know it exists. It's called the shadowing technique.
Shadowing? Like following someone in the dark? Should I be scared?
Not that kind of shadowing. In English learning, shadowing means listening to a native speaker and speaking at the same time as them.
Wait, at the same time? Like no waiting, no pausing?
Exactly. You copy the speaker immediately, almost like their shadow. That's why it's called shadowing.
Interesting. I guess that's harder than it sounds.
It can feel a bit challenging at first, yes. But once you get used to it, it's one of the fastest ways to improve your fluency, accent, and pronunciation, all at the same time.
Sounds like magic. Why does it work so well?
Good question. Let's think about music for a second. When you love a song, what do?
I listen to it over and over again, and eventually I start singing along. Badly, but I try.
Exactly. You sing along. You don't wait for the artist to finish the line. You join in. And that's how your brain and mouth learn the rhythm of the song.
So shadowing is like singing along to English.
Perfectly said. It trains your ear and your mouth together. You start to feel English instead of just translating it.
That actually makes a lot of sense. But what does it help with? Just pronunciation?
Oh, it helps with so many things. First, intonation.
Intonation? That's the music of language, right?
Yes, it's how your voice rises and falls when you speak. For example, when you ask a question, your voice usually goes up. Are you happy? But when you make a statement, it goes down. I'm happy.
Right. And when I read from a book, I sometimes sound robotic.
Exactly. Many learners sound a bit robotic because they don't practice the music of English. Shadowing helps fix that.
So it teaches my mouth to move like a native speaker's.
Yes, that's the second benefit, muscle memory. Speaking English uses muscles in your mouth, lips, and tongue. Shadowing is like gym training for those muscles.
So I don't need dumbbells, just my voice?
Yes, no weights required, just your voice and some good audio.
All right, I'm convinced. How do I actually start?
Great. Let's break it down into steps. Step 1. Choose the right audio. Start simple. Don't choose a fast movie scene or a crazy podcast at first. Pick something slow, clear, and easy to understand. Maybe something like this podcast.
Perfect. I already like this one.
Step 2. Listen first. Before you start speaking, just listen once or twice. Focus on understanding what's being said. Don't rush into repeating.
Got it. So first listen to understand, not to copy.
Step 3. Read the transcript. Optional, but helpful. If you can, read the transcript while listening. It helps you connect the sounds with the words and their spelling.
Oh, that's great for vocabulary too.
Step 4. Shadow the audio. Now comes the fun part. Play the audio again, and this time, speak with the speaker. Not after, not before, with them.
No waiting?
Exactly. Speak at the same time. You'll probably mess up at first. That's okay. Don't stop. Just keep going.
Like singing a song. If I miss a word, I don't stop singing.
Exactly. Just jump back in. Shadowing is about flow, not perfection. Pro tips. Tip 1 is use headphones.
Why headphones?
You can hear the pronunciation more clearly, and it blocks outside noise so you can focus better.
Makes sense.
Tip 2 is start small. Don't try to shadow a full 20-minute podcast on day 1.
Thank goodness. My mouth would quit after 5 minutes.
Just start with 1 or 2 minutes, maybe a small section you like. Do it a few times until you feel comfortable.
I can do that while washing dishes or walking to work.
Exactly. Shadowing fits easily into your daily routine.
Though I might look weird talking to myself on the street.
Maybe, but you'll have the best English accent in the neighborhood.
Worth it.
And my last tip is for the brave learners, is to record yourself.
Oh no, I hate listening to my voice.
Everyone does, but it's one of the best ways to improve. When you compare your recording to the original, you'll instantly notice what to fix. Maybe your tone, rhythm, or pronunciation.
So I can become my own teacher.
Exactly. It's powerful and fast. Challenge. All right, time for a quick challenge.
Oh, I love challenges. What's the mission?
I challenge everyone listening right now to try shadowing this episode.
Nice. So they can choose either you or me to shadow.
Yes, if you shadow me, speak exactly when I speak. If you shadow Chris, match his timing and tone.
Good luck matching my amazing voice.
Right, but remember, also copy our emotion. If we laugh, you laugh. If we sound excited, you sound excited.
That's actually fun. Makes learning feel like a game.
Exactly. Shadowing should feel fun, not stressful. Quick recap.
Okay, let's review the key points. Shadowing means listening and speaking at the same time.
Yes, not listen and then repeat, but listen and speak together.
It helps with intonation, rhythm, and mouth movement, so you sound more natural.
Perfect summary. And remember, choose easy audio, listen first, read along if you can, then shadow. Don't stop for mistakes, just keep going.
Got it. I'm going to try shadowing a movie this weekend.
Which one?
Probably a superhero movie. I'll start with I'm here to save the day.
Great choice. You'll sound like a confident native superhero in no time. Final thoughts. And to all our listeners, we'd love to know if you try shadowing. Tell us in the comments. Have you done it before? Or what audio will you shadow first?
Yeah, maybe this episode, maybe your favorite movie or a song. Whatever helps you practice.
Remember, learning English is a journey. Don't rush. Take small, consistent steps, and shadowing is one of the best small steps you can take today.
Even 2 minutes a day can make a difference.
Exactly. So keep practicing, keep shadowing, and keep smiling while you learn.
Thank you for the amazing tips.
And thank you and all our wonderful listeners. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Talk Smart English so you never miss an episode.
Let's all shadow together.
Yes. See you next time, and happy shadowing, everyone.
Bye-bye.